So, this is Bronington Church. It's in the Wrexham County, but it's closer to Whitchurch. It was originally a brick-built barn, which was converted to a church in I think it was in 1836. It was further improved and extended in 1863 and was consecrated on 22nd of November 1863. It was known at one time as New Fens Chapel, now known as Bronington Church. As you can see, it's only quite small, does have a cemetery attached. Quite plain ornamentally, brick built. When I went it was closed, couldn't see the inside. It was a lovely day on the outside, snow on the ground, sun out. A lovely little church. Thank you for watching, and I will be doing more views on other local churches. Please do check back. Thank you. If you have any churches that you would like me to look around and do a review, particularly local to North Shropshire and the surrounding areas, please do mention in the comments, and I shall try to do that for you. Thank you.